Michelle with Pink and Main. Thanks for joining me for the Advent Calendar Day 21. Let's take a look and see what the bag has inside. Here we go. We've got Day 21, and I'm ready to rip her open. Did we surprise you yesterday? Because Day 19 was a stamp set. We didn't give you the dies, but take a look here. Day 21, you've got the dies for your stamp set that had that adorable koala and the little banner and the stamp that said celebrating you. Now you have the coordinating dies to cut out those stamps. So fun. Thanks again for joining me as we open Day 21 of our Advent Calendar for 2024. I hope you'll join me tomorrow. I can't believe it's Day 22. Until then, keep living the creative life.